How's it going, guys? This is Dr. Binh with Healthy Feet Podiatry, and I got another special treat for you today. I think I have the world record, oldest ingrown toenail. Usually it's like 3-4 months. No, this is 3 to 4 years, right?
Yeah.
3 to 4 years. So this is what a 3 to 4 year old ingrown toenail looks like. It's not as bad, but let's just take a look. Nice and juicy. So not only that, he did us a favor of leaving all that scabbing right around there. Usually he kind of just peels it off when it starts building up on it, but he left it on for us, just for me to see. Delicious. So we gotta get him numbed up first. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that with a couple of shots. All right, I'm gonna have you move your foot over this way. Casey, how are you feeling? All right, fine. All right, there you go. Gotta make sure our camera worker, make sure she's okay. All right, so this is the worst part. All right, a little stick and a little burn, a little bit of cold spray. All right, you can't see it, but off camera, he's got his girlfriend's hand held really hard right now. Okay, so we're gonna inject. So, how are we doing? Not too bad, right?
Nah, it's fine. I can't even feel it.
There you go. Alright. Here I'm going to reposition the needle. Come across. Nice and slow here. So generally when you use a smaller gauge needle, like a 27 or a 30, and a smaller syringe, like a 3cc syringe, and go really slow, they don't really feel it as much. I think he's feeling this one though.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this part, never the funnest. Okay, almost done. You're doing great though. This is the worst part, alright? Once we're all done, we can all go to Chick-fil-A and have some
You're buying me a milkshake.
lunch. Milkshake? At Chick-fil-A?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I had one there in a while. They're good though, right?
Yeah, I like the peach is really good.
Really?
I love
Peach?
the peach
I'm
milkshakes.
gonna have to go get that one.
But isn't it only seasonal?
Yeah, it's seasonal.
Oh, it's
they only have it
seasonal?
in the, I think it's in the spring.
So right now, what do they probably have, like pumpkin something?
I hope not. I have faith in Chick-fil-A that they wouldn't do that, but it's possible.
Can I have a pumpkin spice milkshake, please? That's
My
Casey's
go-to
typical
is
order.
their strawberry. They do a really good strawberry shake.
Strawberry, yeah. You can't screw up a strawberry shake.
Oh, I know people that can. I had McDonald's one time give me a milkshake just in the cup they used to clean out the machine between flavors.
So now that he's all numbed up, let's go get started. All right, so Casey, clean it up for me. And now we're just gonna get everything free. So, oh yeah, there's that like a scab of skin. Let's see what that tastes like. Hold on. Just kidding. We'll save it for later though. That'll go well with the milkshake.
Sprinkles.
All right, so we can clearly visualize where the nail is. Generally, I don't want to take off too much because we want to keep it kind of aesthetically pleasing. For him, he probably doesn't care as much. He's a guy. He just wants it to not hurt anymore. That's usually the case. Yeah. But what about my pedicures? So I'm going to just free up the nail border right now. Probably take a healthy amount still. Because the last thing we want is for it to heal and still have a lot of nail digging into the skin. Okay. Looks good. What about my honeydews? I'm good. Is that your alarm for waking up? Jeez.
No.
Oh, to be a college kid again.
Next semester.
At 3:30 in the afternoon alarm. All my alarms are like 6 a.m., 5 a.m. Actually, no, I lied. It's more like 7:38. I don't wake up that early. Oh, man. I don't have a 3:30 alarm, though. Must be nice. Oh, yeah, so what I did there was just freed up the nail in the back end of the matrix, okay? That ensures that I get the entire nail. Sometimes I'll actually pull off the nail and then leave the root back in there so you don't actually get the whole thing. All right, so let's get the whole thing. Ready? Let's go slowly. Huh, it wasn't that slow, but there you go. That's the nail. That's what was in there. It wasn't as big as we thought. Okay, So let's just clean up the rest of the flesh here. So I'll probably trim off a little bit of this tissue right here, this infected tissue, inflamed tissue. So I'm just using it to make sure there's no residual nail back here, in here. I'll just take a small bit of that skin. Right. So Florida tax is up 1.5% now, 8.5.
I saw that.
Yeah, among the highest in the nation. But I think we need it, right?
Yeah.
Right. Our roads are really crappy.
It'll go down 0.5 cent after 10 years.
Yeah. Well, I'm not too worried about it. You know, if it means that I have to pay what 2 extra cents for a burger, so that I don't have to.
Yeah, so it's gonna cost the average family like $150 a year.
Oh yeah.
Which isn't that bad.
It's not too bad. Not too bad. I spend all my money on a lot crazier stuff, stupid stuff, so I can spare $150. Okay, so that's cleaned up. See, looking a little bit better already. Not, you know, and then teachers, I'll help the teachers too, right?
They will.
Shout out to all my teachers out there. I wouldn't be there without you guys. I learned a lot. I was a product of the public school system, so. They definitely need help. I think we're like bottom 40 as far as teacher pay. There you go. That's what it's gonna look like. He's like, him and his girlfriend are playing footsies off camera. Or not footsies, handsies.
Yeah, my foots are on.
Your foot's on camera. Stop it. No, you stop it. No, you stop it. Yeah, so we're just diluting it right now with the vinegar. Look at that, buddy. So that's what it's going to heal it. So things to look for, okay? So aftercare, let's talk aftercare now. So if you look at the bottom, it's going to be a little bit red and swollen in this corner. That's perfectly normal. It's going to look like a small sunburn. You're going to get a little bit like yellowish drainage as well. That's perfectly normal, okay? What isn't normal is more pain, more swelling, more anything that's, you know, bad. So if that's the case, you give me a call. But for the most part, most people heal just fine within 2 weeks, and I'll have you come back in 2 weeks to see me, okay?
Perfect.
And we'll clean it out again if need be. Until then, soap and water every day in the shower, a little bit of antibiotic ointment, okay? No dunking your foot, no soaking it in anything that has any questionable water in it. So, you know, pools, lakes, spas, ocean, okay?
Okay.
And
No pedicures.
no what?
No pedicures.
No pedicures? You get pedicures?
Used to.
Used to? Oh.
Then they told me my toe was nasty.
It was never my thing. Okay, so I packed it. So this little piece of non-stick gauze, take that off in the shower tonight, okay?
Okay.
Other than that, leave this dressing on until tonight or tomorrow morning. Just go ahead and take it out tonight. How about that?
Okay.
If it bleeds too much, just put some pressure on, okay? Just hold it like that. And then I'll see you in 2 weeks. Again, this is Dr. Binh with Healthy Feet Podiatry. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and don't forget about our Instagram page, Healthy Feet Podiatry, at Healthy Feet Podiatry, and don't forget about my Instagram page at Dr. Binh, DOCTOR.BINH. Take care, bye.